Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. Now friends, today we discuss the most important topic of C++. Our topic is switch statement, why we use switch statement and how we use switch statement. Switch statement. Sorry. Guys, in the previous lecture we discussed if else statement, if else if statement. But if else if statement is tough for you. Switch statement provide the easy way to execute different codes. Okay, now we show you a flowchart of switch statement. Hope you understand. Now friends, see. First of all, we use switch statement conditional statement. After that, we use case 1. Switch statement check. If case 1 is true, then it should break the statement and show the body of switch statement. Okay. If case 1 is false, then go to the case 2 and break other statements and show that statement. If case 2 is false, then go to the case 3 and show that body. And go up to so on. Go to the default points. Okay friends. Now we discuss the code of switch statement. Hope you understand. Hash include iostream using namespace std and main function. In the main function we got one variable, name is x, and give the value to x is 2. For example, we get a one variable x and give value 2 swtch. In the switch statement we give a condition x. Okay, in the switch statement we give a condition x for check. We use case 1. In the case 1, switch statement check. If the value of x is 1, then show output is choice is 1. Okay, break, go to the, if case 1 is false, then go to the case 2 and check. If the value of x is 2, then show the output choice is 2. Okay, break and go to the case 3. If case 2 is false, then go to the case 3, cout. If the value of x is 3, then show choice is 3. Okay friends, then break that statement and we go to the default statement. Okay, sorry friends, default, and in the default body cout choice is 4 or invalid. Okay, if you give a value to compiler is more than 2 or etc etc, any values, for example you give a alphabet, then a compiler said choice is 4 or invalid, then break the default statement. Okay, now we save that program and execute that program and check what is output. So let's see friends, choice is 2. Why compiler show choice is 2? Because x, the value of x is 2 and we use in the switch statement condition is x, and check the value of x. If the value of x is 1, then show that output choice is 1. If the value of x is 2, then show that output. If the value of x is 3, then show that output. Now we change the value of x. If x equal to 3, we run that program. Let's see friends. No friends, choice is 3 because the value of x is 3. Friends, hope you understand. If you have any query or any question, then comment and tell me the question, what's your problem. Inshallah, next lecture we will provide you a best program about switch statement and hope you will understand. Thank you friends.